Now, if you have reached this video, you're most likely trying to master the fox eye / fox brow trend. Now you need to watch on if you're having trouble or you've got rounded or hooded eyes, because there's some very common mistakes that people do which make a big difference with the result. So firstly, throw away those razors. You don't need those hands anymore. So here we go. 1. Shadow needs to be above only. Use the tape as a guide. 2. Your eyeshadow should never be centered in the middle or the inside corner of the eye. The emphasis should be on the outside third. 3. Hooded eyes need to disguise those creases.
Fake a higher crease with a darker shadow and wing it out.
4. Liners should reshape the eye. Concentrate on the outside third and use sparingly in the middle.
Make sure your liner goes at an upwards angle and it doesn't go straight across.
5. Use contour to reshape the area. 6. Your brow angle needs to match. Rounded brows are a no-go.
The tail end needs to be higher than the front of the brow and it needs to be straightened out slightly. You can then reshape it using makeup rather than shaving or removing any part of your brow.
7. Don't use too much mascara in the middle or the bottom lashes. They can make your eyes look round. 8. If you have rounder eyes, use some liner on the rim to close the eyes. 9. If you're going to use lashes, use winged ones or half lashes. Don't use the round shape.
I'm going to use individual lashes for mine, longer at the edge.
10. Hair is here to help. Use a good old-fashioned high ponytail. Get that eye lift and get those hands away for good. So I appreciate every single one of you that have just watched that. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and turn those notifications on. It helps me loads, and down below is the link to my professional makeup course.